H&M Company is established in 2013. We pleased to introduce as one of the fastest growing company in solar industries. H&M Company is young, dynamic and experienced solar EPC company in vibrant state of Gujarat. Since the inspection, the company delivered trust by installation work of solar rooftop plant, solar water heater, solar water pump, solar panel cleaning system. We have also contributed in Gujarat government solar rooftop yojana from 2019 to 2022. We are authorized channel partner of Gujarat government. Our USP We provide perfect consulting work. We have multitasking team. We transparent with customer, having 9+ years of experience. Happy to say that in solar industries we are on first position in terms of Google review. We deals with multi-brand solar panels like Pahal Solar, Rayzon Solar, Adani Solar, Waaree Solar, Tata Solar, Goldi Solar etc. We provide services in all South Gujarat region. Till now we have served around 2000+ clients successfully.